this was a steal. A steal. And I've been looking for an item like this for a while now. Hi guys, Naturelle Bombshell here, and welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title of my video, I am going to share with you my recent purchase from Fashionphile. Now, I have not unwrapped it or opened it yet, so this is also going to be a first impression. I just pre-opened the box so I wouldn't be rummaging all through this video. On my channel, I talk about beauty, fashion, hair, and my life as a plus size model. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure you click that notification bell and that subscribe button. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is the moment of truth. So first of all, like I say, I purchased this bag because I wanted to add a piece to my handbag collection that was, you know, I just needed something refined, sophisticated, and girl, this was just a judge for me. So as you can see, it comes with the Fashionphile confetti. Maybe I should do it on this side. I kind of have more room here. And here is the, I believe it's just the receipt. Yeah, this is just a receipt thanking me for my purchase. Thank you for thanking me. Girl, they didn't put no file in here. You know how they usually put a nail file? Girl, they didn't put no file in here, and I low-key need a hand file. Okay. So, let me open this up. It comes with the Fashionphile handbag, and oh, girl. This is my new Yves Saint Laurent clutch. Now, it's Saint Laurent because for wardrobe and ready to wear it, they just do Saint Laurent, and for cosmetics they do Yves Saint Laurent. But yeah, so I was looking for a just nice, sleek, classic red clutch. Red is one of my favorite colors, and when I saw this, I knew that proportionally it will work. Now, I also thought about the cake bag as well, and to me, not necessarily that the cake bag is trendy, but it does have kind of a trendiness to it. But I wanted something, you know, very just kind of sleek and understated. So this is, I mean, this is everything that I wanted it to be. It has the Saint Laurent Paris logo. It has some minor scratches, but overall, very supple leather, in great condition. Oh, and it also has the actual Saint Laurent handbag as well. So let me just open this. So yeah, so it comes with this handbag as well. So the reason why I purchased this one is because I actually had a cheaper clutch, girl, and I don't know what happened. I went on a trip and it just vanished, disappeared. It was a red clutch. I got it from Aldo. Obviously, it was a different price point. Now, this price point originally for this is up there, but this was heavily discounted, and then it ended up having an additional like 20 or 30% off, and so, you know, I had to get it. It also comes in black, which I thought about getting as well, but girl, I was like, I have to reclaim my wallet, reclaim my bank account, baby steps, okay? Because, you know, yeah, I'm just like, do I want to spend an I won't even say insurmountable, because it's not expensive relative to other luxury items that I have or that you can buy. But yeah, I'm the type of person, when it comes to luxury, I like different luxury. I like how can I say this? I like a lot of items. you know, so I'm not going to purchase two of the same thing. Like I know some people have like 10 classic Chanels, like to me, or classic flaps, or 10, you know, 5 wallet on the chain Chanel or something like that. To me, that is not the luxury wardrobe, you know, that is to my liking. I like my selections to be more diverse as far as look and brands. But anyway, yes, this is the Saint Laurent clutch. I really like it, really happy with the purchase. You can just tell by the quality that, girl, this is it. And again, when I purchase luxury items, I purchase timeless pieces. So this will be in style, so to speak, because style lasts forever. Fashion comes and goes, but style lasts forever. And I think that this is such a just classic, elegant, sleek piece that is timeless. And that's what I look for in luxury goods. I'm not a trendy person. I am more so of a classic or vintage person. Now, I may do some trend things as far as like clothes or you know, if I buy a fast fashion or something, but if I'm going to invest in a luxury piece, it is going to be timeless. And I think that this is what this is. I mean, just to quote Yves Saint Laurent himself, fashion fades but style is eternal. And that is a true statement. I see a lot of times, even with luxury items or luxury purchases, some things are just very trendy. And you know, and it's nothing wrong with if you're a trendy person, because you have some people that are trendy, you have some people that are you know, classic, you have some people that are vintage, you have some people that are, you know, avant-garde. So you know, it's levels to what style you have. But me, as far as like investment or investing in luxury pieces, I am that of a timeless classic. You know, it can go with anything. I can wear it 10 years from now. Even some bags I have, like, they're 20 years old or plus, and I still can wear them, and you know, they're still in great condition. So I just want to share this purchase, and I'll link the other information below. Now, for the next luxury item that I purchased, this is a fragrance. This is Maison Margiela replica in coffee break. Now, I am very particular about fragrances, and especially kind of a gourmand type fragrance, because they can, you know, I'm not necessarily one to want to smell like, you know, food, or because that's what gourmand means, it's like a food. So you know, a lot of times they have, you know, a vanilla scent, a syrup scent, or whatever, like whatever is kind of like in the food beverage realm. But with this, it has such a creaminess and cleanness to the fragrance to where I really like this one. And I purchased the like sample travel size to see if I liked it, and I really love this. Now, this is a all day toilette, so it's not as beast mode as a parfum or as a definitely not an extraction like Baccarat Rouge. That's the intense one. I think is an extraction. The extractions are some of the strongest fragrances formulas that you can have. And above that, or sorry, right below that is a perfume, not a parfum, but a actual perfume. And then after that, or below that, it's all day parfum, then an all day toilette, then a cologne, then basic girl body spray. So this is an all day toilette. I really love this fragrance. It has notes of creaminess, coziness. It really doesn't smell like coffee, but it really gives you that kind of just warmness, coziness of a coffee shop, which is this line is supposed to replicate certain areas or certain places or certain events throughout time. And if you are a person who wants to try a fragrance that has kind of, it's not a clean like aquatic laundry or aldehyde type clean, it's a clean like, I don't know, like I can't describe it. It has the hints of lavender. It isn't strong in it, but I think it kind of, you know, balances out that sweetness that sometimes gourmand fragrances can have. So really love this fragrance. And the next thing I purchased, where is it? is this Tom Ford lipstick. This is in the color Blushed Honey. Girl, like I really need another nude lipstick. And so this is just basically a just pretty nude. Girl, that's one thing about his lipsticks, girl. It's just so creamy. I don't even know if it's showing up, but it's just like a pretty, just what it says, just like a blush honey nude. So those are the other items that I purchased. I will have all of those linked below if I can link them. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thanks for the support, and as always, go forth and prosper.